Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install a Visual Studio into your computer in a very simple way. What do you have to do? You just simply open the Google Chrome browser. You can choose any of your favorite browser and then you can simply search over here Visual Studio Code. Click on that. And after that, you will get a website called code.visualstudio.com. So if you click on this website called Visual Studio Code Editing Redefined, if you click on that, then you rightly open a Visual Studio Code downloading interface over here. So if you scroll down a little bit, and then here you'll find, so as you can see now, here is the download option called download for Windows. If you're using different version, then there will be shows up. Click on download for Windows. And after a very short time, the download will be started. And as you can see, download has been started. It will take some seconds to download. For that, keep patience. So as you can see, download has been completed. And now if you click on this folder icon, you will get the Visual Studio user set of file. Click on that 2 times. Now minimize everything, add to the background. Click I accept the agreement. Click next. Then check all the boxes. Click next. Then click install. And after a very short time, you can see the preparing to install. So the installation will be started and it will take some minutes to complete it. For that, keep patience. As you can see, the installation is completed. And now if you just simply click on finish, and now if you search over here, Visual Studio, as you can see, I have lots of app of Visual Studio, but I don't have Visual Studio Code. That's why I'm going to search Visual Studio Code. And now if you simply click on open it, and as you can see, it's slightly opened in our computer. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install Visual Studio Code in your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.